Got a little damage there on the front. Some little soffit and fascia damage
Oh yeah, right there.
on that rental.
It's
Dusty's is open.
Yeah, Dusty's is finally open.
I had some siding that was missing on the one side, but
There's our wheel.
they're still open. Still under curfew, so most of the businesses are going to be closing by about 7.
Here's 62. We could go right here too.
Here we go. We can go on the beach here. We'll go on the beach here. Here's 62.
Come on.
At the other end, I guess there's a couple of the walks going on to the beach are also up. Beach is still beautiful.
Yeah, there it is. People are out on it.
Yeah, a lot of our sand got washed away.
Hold the water, Mom. Hold the water. I can. Mommy, hold the water.
Millions of dollars of sand got washed away. Still beautiful though.
Get it now.
Piers are all strong. Piers are fine.
Say please, Maddie. Put the insult there.
Please. Please.
Put it up there.
I wonder how our
It's really black. You know why?
all the sandbars, if they're still out there, sandbars got washed away.
Alright.
Probably bigger sandbars since they washed all the sand into the water. You know?